Hey, it's Tony here at Smart Toyota. Check it out. This is one of 4 Toyota RAV4 Primes that we have on our lot today. So we've got a red one, we've got the gray, we've got a white, we've got a silver RAV4 Prime. These are awesome vehicles. So these are the vehicles you want if you don't want to have range anxiety. So this is a great complement between the gas-powered engine and the hybrid system with the plug-in capability. These are awesome. So what does it mean to have a RAV4 Prime? Well, it's a combination of a hybrid RAV4 with a larger battery system and longer range on electric only. So you see both of these are charging right now. They're plugged in. You can plug them right into a 120 outlet, and you can go up to 42 miles on electric only. So if you've got a commute and you only need to go a short distance to work, this is going to be the perfect vehicle for you. So you saw the red and you saw the gray. Here's a white one. This is an SE edition. They make them in an SE and an XSE. Here's the silver also in the SE edition. So a grand total of 4 available for sale right now. These 2 here and the ones we looked at way over there, all on the lot, ready for immediate delivery. Right here at Smart Certified Used Cars on Odana Road in Madison. Stop by, take a look, or give us a call, or check us out on the web. We're at smarttoyota.com.